Hello, I'm David Oscar and welcome to Signs 7 News, bringing you the latest stories from the last week in the sign and wide format print industries. This week, with Signs helps M&S go big with signage, Enfocus unveils new wide format solution, KGK Genix unveils sustainable range at VM and display show, and Brandfixx revamps charity van design. First, a 134-year-old signage company, with Signs, has had a long-lasting relationship with M&S stores and has produced over a dozen signs for a new store site. The contract for the project was part of a series of secured jobs, and as a result, with Signs has announced plans to invest over £500,000 in the business to improve capabilities and expand its team of 70 people. Next, software solutions provider Enfocus has announced the launch of a new workflow automation package tailored specifically for the wide format print sector. The adapted solution is a workflow automation platform that connects MIS, web-to-print, and production preparation processes, which Enfocus says will enable users to create a fully automated process for print applications. Now, at the recent VM and display show, many large format companies exhibited new products due to their roles in the display and retail sectors. Many exhibitors focused on sustainable material solutions, including KGK Genix, a creative agency that specializes in design, print and display installation. We spoke to Group Managing Director Graham Pitts about what the company had to show.
Our products are extremely varied, from self-adhesive vinyls to rigid display boards, cardboard, fabrics. The range is really quite massive. Today we're here to specifically talk about cardboard displays and how they can be used in retail environments. Every single element of our stand here today is made out of cardboard. Even the flooring is made from a sustainable material, so everything can be recycled. As a business, we're carbon neutral for scopes 1 and 2, and for scope 3 we assess the travel both for our staff to and from work, but also all of our logistics network as well. We're trying to work with our suppliers at this time in order for them to be able to give us the data so that we can look to offset that too, to be 100% carbon offset. So as part of our initiative today, in exchange for a meeting, we're looking to plant a tree for that individual with the National Trust. That will then offset their carbon footprint for them to be able to get to the show, and also for us to be able to go and see them. We've invested really heavily into a sustainable way of the future. So we've changed all of our lighting to LED to use less power. We've changed all of our company vehicles now to electric. And we've also just taken delivery of a ViewTech H5, which will use 25% of the power that the machines that it will replace. Sustainability is massively important. As a business predominantly in retail, it's typically throwaway. So we produce a graphic and then it's not used again. So making sure that those graphics are either recyclable or sustainable, or both ideally, is the way forward.
And finally, vehicle branding company Brandfixx has recently given Hull-based charity P.A.U.L for Brain Recovery a rebrand after it was named the winner of its recent competition. Brandfixx received dozens of nominations in its search to find a deserving charity to support. The charity won a complete rebrand of its van design, with the vehicle being vital to the charity's work. That's all for this week's Signs 7 News, but for now you can stay up to date with all the news in the industry at signlink.co.uk. View much more video content over on our Signs 7 News YouTube channel, or join in with the conversation on Twitter and LinkedIn. We'll see you next week.